Okay, I again start with the same, that is body segmentation. Last criteria for new animal classification. Now body segments means you all have observed the earthworm. Earthworm have some ring type structure on its body at after proper interval. Such type of body or such type of segment if they are having, they are known as segmented body. Especially the phylum Annelida animals are having a segmented body. Another example also there, nowadays you can observe some earthworm like small type of worms coming out from the land. They are brownish in color. If you observe them carefully, they are having a light and dark shades alternatively. Means light brown, dark brown, light brown, golden type shining. Also we generally name them as paisa. Okay, that organism is also having a segmented body, and such type of various different worms you can observe nearby you. One is with gray and black partition having a furry body. Such type of worms are also observed nearby us, and such type of bands are also known as segmented body. Zebra type of bands are present on their these worms. They are also segmented, and each part is known as one segment. So this is how the body segmentations are been there. Now you can observe the whole chart of the kingdom Animalae. Here the kingdom is Animalae. Whole the animals are under one kingdom. Especially all multicellular organisms are included in this kingdom Animalae. Means we have only focused on multicellular. In unicellular, that is amoeba, protoplasmic cell grade, that is okay, but we are here discussing all the things related to multicellular. Then again, that multicellular first criteria we have decided was body organization, in which body was cellular grade, tissue grade, organ system grade. Then body symmetry, there were three factor: asymmetrical body, radial symmetry, and bilateral symmetry. You can observe that asymmetrical body is only of cellular grade. All cellular grade organism of multicellular class are asymmetrical body. Then body cavity. Then body cavity, acoleomates. Three class is there: porifera, cnidaria, platyhelminths. Then pseudocoleomate, only one, helminths. Why they are pseudo? Because they are having body cavity, but the reason is not mesoderm or gut. Understood? And another Annelida, arthropod, mollusca, echinodermata, hemichordata, chordata, these all are eucoleomate having a body cavity. Likewise, it is been classified. So, we have completed the grades of classification. Now we are toward the first phylum of this class, that is phylum Porifera. Now this animal, means the animal belonging to this class, are with simplest body plan and are called as sponges, and they bear numerous spores on their body, and those spores are called as ossita and oscula. Okay, sponges are present in the water, means this phylum Porifera organism are present in the water. Okay, now they are aquatic animal, and they are either present in marine water or fresh water also. Okay, so they are marine or few are freshwater dwellers also. Now most of the animal have asymmetrical body, means their body has no perfect shape to be divided into two equal halves, hence their body is asymmetrical. Then their body have a special type of cells known as collar cells. And first of all, okay, they are having a special type of cell known as collar cell. and these animals are always attached to the substernum, hence do not show locomotion, hence they are referred as sedentary animal. Now what do you understand here? Means they are attached to the base somewhere, they are not moving here and there, they remain attached to the base, and then only they on the upper part is only floating with the waves. Understood? That's why their body is known as sedentary, means they are fixed, they are standing to some platforms or some base, so they are not moving, hence their body is known as sedentary. Then they means they are not showing any type of locomotion. Then their body has a special type of cell known as polar cell. Then their body is having a number of pores, and these pores they have given two names, ossita and oscula. Why two types of pores? Ossita is a bigger pore and oscula are the smaller holes or pores. Means what is the function of these pores? As ossita is a bigger pore, the water enter into that pores, and water is having some small organism, okay, and oscula is a small pores, so the water leaves the body from that small pores, and due to which the some organism remain inside the sponges, and they are nothing but they are the food for that sponges. Likewise this ossita and oscula helps the sponges to arrange its prey, and ossita is a bigger and oscula are the smaller pores. This is the function of these pores. Now this sponge's body is supported by spicules or spongin fiber. The spicules are made up of calcium carbonate or silica. Spicules means a spine type cartilaginous structure, okay, and that spines are made up of calcium carbonate or silica. This animal feed on small organism that we have discussed. This animal small organism taken in their body along with water. Water is taken in through the ossita and given out through the oscula. That what I have explained you initially. Now this animal reproduce by budding, an asexual method or bisexual method, means these sponges can show both type of reproduction, sexual as well as asexual, and budding is the asexual method which they follow for reproduction. Besides, they are having a good ability to regeneration. It is another asexual reproduction method of asexual reproduction, in which they also follow the regeneration type. And means if small parts fall off somewhere, it will be generated into a whole cycon or whole sponge. The example of these sponges are cycon, then Euspongia, also known as bath sponge, Hyalonema and Euplectella. These are the example of the sponges. Now Euspongia is also known as bath sponge because many of us or many of the people use these sponges after drying it, collecting it and drying it for bathing purpose, for scrubbing the skin. Hence it is known as bath sponge. So I think it is okay for today.